Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. This is the next week's CVS deal update on Sunday, April 18 to Saturday, April 24, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at my first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush or mouthwash deal. Spend $10 on Colgate and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 CT, it's $10.38. It's $5.19 each. Also you can buy 2 Colgate total toothpaste, it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Altogether the totals come out $20.36. But make sure you can check this toothbrush and toothpaste is included or not, because they say select, so you can check before you purchase. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 2 75 of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. Use 2 75 of Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $13.36 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.36 or 84 cents each. My next deal is any CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on CoverGirl and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner, it's $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Also you can buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Matte Concealer, it's $7.79. Altogether the totals come out $20.77. Use one $6 of $20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $3 of CoverGirl Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. Use one $3 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon and use one $3 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $5.77 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus 23-cent money maker. My next deal is Almay cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on any Almay cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. Buy 2 Almay Healthy Hue Blush, it's $24.98. It's $12.49 each. Use one $6 of $20 Almay cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Almay Face or Eye cosmetic digital coupon and use one $3 of Almay Face and Eye cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com. But this coupon is no longer available. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $12.98 and get back $8 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 back on Ibotta for the Almay cosmetic. It's limit 3 per household, so it's equal to $6. If you don't have the Ibotta, my referral code is EREHMCW. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker after the Ibotta. My next deal is NYX cosmetic deal. Buy 2 NYX cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 NYX lip liner, it's $8.78. It's $4.39 each. Pay or roll $8.78 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.78 or $1.89 each. My next deal is Revlon cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on Revlon cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. Buy 1 Revlon Skin Light highlighter, it's $12.49. Also, you can buy one Revlon Photo Ready Concealer. It's $11.79. The totals come out $24.28. Use one $6 of $20 Revlon Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Revlon Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Revlon mystery coupon. This coupon is available on April 18th. Must be it's $4, otherwise it's $3. Adjust the math. The total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $10.28 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just 28 cents or 14 cents each. My next deal, it's cosmetic deal. If you have this $7 of $35 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. Spend $12 on Almay and get back $4 ECB. Spend $10 on Milani Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. And spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. Buy one Almay Healthy Hubblers, it's $12.49. Also, you can buy one Milani lipstick, it's $9.99. Also, buy one Revlon Skin Highlighter, it's $12.49. Altogether, the totals come out $34.97. Use one $7 of $35 any cosmetic CVS CRT. You can use one free cosmetic up to $5. Use one $4 of Revlon mystery coupon. It's available on April 18th. Use one $4 of Revlon Cosmetics CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Almay Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $11.97 but get back $4 ECB for the Almay. Get back $5 ECB for the Milani and get back $5 ECB for the Revlon. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward because you hit the $34. The final cost is free plus $5.03 money maker. My next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer, it's $10.99. Also, you can buy two L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Original Mascara, it's $19.58. It's $9.59 each. The totals come out $30.57. Use one $10 of $30 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Face digital coupon. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye digital coupon and use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. If you didn't print that coupon, we have still available this coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $14.57 and get back $5 ECB plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $6.57 or $2.19 each. The next deal is Nivea lotion deal. Buy two Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB and they have limit 1 per household. Buy one Nivea breathable body lotion 13.5 oz, it's $8.79. Also, you can buy one Nivea body lotion 8.4 oz, it's $6.29. Altogether, the totals come out $15.08. You can use one $3.50 of $15 any lotion CVS CRT. Use two $1 of Nivea breathable lotion app only coupon. The total coupon is $5.50. Pay or roll $9.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $4.58 or $2.29 each. Right now we don't have any Nivea lotion printable coupon, but check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care deal. Buy two Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $15.58. It's $7.79 each. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar or Green Lab CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active or Green Labs product digital coupon and use one $2 of Garnier Skin Active or Green Lab coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.58 or $1.29 each. My next deal is any L'Oreal facial care deal scenario 1. Spend $30 on L'Oreal facial care and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Buy two L'Oreal Face Cleanser Gel, it's $10.38. It's $5.19 each. The totals come out $30.37. Use two $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use two $6 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Use one $2 off L'Oreal Facial Care digital coupon and use one $2 off L'Oreal Facial Care printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $22. Pay or roll $4.37 and get back $10 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $8.63 money maker. The next deal is any L'Oreal facial care deal scenario 2. Spend $30 and get $10 ECB. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum, it's $27.49. Also you can buy one L'Oreal Paris Face Cleanser Gel, it's $5.19. Altogether the totals come out $32.68. Use two $5 of $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use two $5 of L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum CVS CRT. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Facial Care digital coupon and use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Facial Care printable coupon. The total coupon is $24. Pay or roll $8.68 and get back $10 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $4.32 money maker. My next deal is select Aveeno skincare deal. Spend $30 on Aveeno skincare and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Aveeno Ultra Calming Daily Facial Moisturizer 2.3 OZ, it's $21.49. Also you can buy one Aveeno Clear Complex Foaming Cleanser, it's 6 OZ, it's $9.29. Altogether the totals come out $30.78. But make sure check this product it's included or not, because they say select Aveeno facial care hair care. Use one $5 of $30 any facial care CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Aveeno Ultra Calming CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Aveeno Facial Cleanser digital coupon. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $18.78 and get back $10 ECB. Plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $5.78 or $2.89 each. My next deal is Seek Razor or Refill deal. Buy two on Seek Razor or Refill and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Seek Hydro Seek 3 razor, it's $10.29. Also you can buy one Seek Extreme 5 Pivot Ball Men razor, it's $10.79. The totals come out $21.08. Use one $5 of $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Seek Man digital coupon and use one $3 of Seek Hydro Woman digital coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $10.08 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just 8 cents or 4 cents each. My next deal is select Conair Trimmer, Saver or Appliances deal. Spend $15 on Conair and product and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Conair Custom Cut Trimmer, it's $22.49. Use one $5 of $20 any Save Care CVS CRT. Pay or roll $17.49 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $12.49 each. My next deal is Stay Free Carefree Playtex and OB deal scenario 1. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy one OB Pro Comfort tampon, it's $4.49. It's $8.99 each, but it's buy one get one 50% off. Buy one Playtex Pot tampon 32 to 40 CT, it's $9.49. The totals come out $13.98. Use one $4 or $14 Stay Free Pad Playtex tampon or liner CVS CRT. Use one $3 of two Stay Free Playtex or OB digital coupon. It's available on April 18th. Also, you can use one $3 of Playtex tampon CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is Stay Free Carefree and Playtex and OB deal scenario 2. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy one Stay Free Maxi Pad with wing, it's $7.99, and you can buy another one, it's half off, it's $3.99. Altogether, the totals come out $11.97. Use one $3 of two Stay Free digital coupon. It's available on April 18th. Use one $2 of $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Stay Free paid liner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $3.97 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 97 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is You Buy Kotex deal. Buy two You Buy Kotex and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $8. Buy two You Buy Kotex tampon 16 to 18 CT. It's $8. It's 2 for $8. Use one $3 of You Buy Kotex CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of two You Buy Kotex digital coupon. It's supposed to $1 off You Buy Kotex. It's depend which coupon we get on the Sunday. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $3 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $1 or 49 cents each. The next deal is All and Snuggle detergent deal. Spend $10 on All and Snuggle and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 3 Snuggle fabric softener 32 OZ. It's $11.97. It's $3.99 each. Use one $2 of 2 Snuggle liquid or sheet fabric softener CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $1 of Snuggle liquid or sheet fabric softener CVS CRT. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $8.97 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $6.97 or $2.32 each. The next deal is Bebo bathroom tissue or True Green bath and paper towel deal scenario 1. Buy 2 tissue paper and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. And it's on sale, buy one get one free. Buy 2 True Green bath tissue 4 pack, it's $3.49. It's buy one get one free. Pay or roll $3.49 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 49 cents each or 49 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal is Bebo bathroom tissue or True Green bath and paper towel deal scenario 2. Buy 2 tissue paper and get back $3 ECB. Buy 4 Bebo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll. It's $21.98. It's $10.99 each. Also, it's buy one get one free, means like 2 it's free. Use one, buy 2 get 1 free or buy 1 get 1 free 8 count toilet paper CVS CRT. It's took $10.99. Pay or roll $10.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.99 or $1.99 each. My next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $40 on household item and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Tide liquid 36 to 46 OZ, it's $11.88. It's $5.94 each. Also, you can buy 2 Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT, it's $9.88. It's $4.94 each. Also, you can buy 2 Pamper Easy Up training pant 5T to 60, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. The totals come out $41.74. Use one $4 of $20 any Tide or Tide Pod CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use one $2 of Tide Liquid printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. Use one $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $2 of Tide Pod printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. Also, we have one $4 of 2 Pamper Easy Up digital coupon. The total coupon is $16. Pay or rolls $25.74 and get back $10 ECB. Plus, you can submit $1.50 times 2 Pamper Easy Up. This one they have limit 5 per household. The final cost all product is $12.74 or $2.12 each after the Ibotta rebate. My next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend $40 and get back $10 ECB. Buy 1 Tide liquid 36 to 46 OZ, it's $5.94. Also, you can buy 1 Tide Pod 12 to 16 CT, it's $4.94. Buy 2 Pamper Easy Up training pant 5T to 60, it's $19.98. Also, you can buy 1 Ninja Mask Jumbo Pack 14 CT, it's $9.99. Altogether, the totals come out $40.85. Use one $2 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use one $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Also, you can use one $5 of $30 any baby care CVS CRT. Use one $4 of 2 Pamper Easy Up digital coupon. Use one $3 of Ninja Mask underwear digital coupon. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $24.85 and get back $10 ECB. Plus, you can submit $1.50 times 2 Pamper Easy Up. It's limit 5 per Ibotta. Plus, you can earn $2 Ninja Mask underwear. It's limit 3 per household. If you don't have the Ibotta, my referral code is EREHMCW. The final cost all product is only just $9.85 or $1.97 each. The next deal is Aleve or Bayer medicine deal. If this deal you can do only Sunday because the digital and the manufacturer coupon it's expired on Sunday. Buy 4 Aleve pain reliever 50 CT, it's $27.86. It's $8.99 each. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Use one $4 of $20 any pain relief CVS CRT. Use one $4 of 2 Aleve 50 CT product digital coupon. It's expired on April 18th. Use one $4 of 2 Aleve 50 CT product printable coupon on coupon.com. It's also expired on April 18th. Also, if you have one $3 of Aleve 40 CT or larger CVS CRT, the total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $12.86 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.86 or 71 cents each. So friend, if you didn't check on your message, you can check the message on CVS Extra Care. We have right now free cosmetic up to $5, so you can send to your card. Or if you didn't check out my Instagram, I post small deal on there, or you can search up Super Cool Couponer. So friend, this is my next week's CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.